Hi, and welcome back to our channel. The DZG Menu System is an easy-to-use Unreal Engine Blueprint asset pack for adding a main menu and an in-game pause menu system to your game. In today's video, we're going to show you the 3 simple steps for adding the menu system to your game. First, you're going to select the DZG Menu System, expand out the tree, select Blueprints, and step number 1 is adding the main menu UI to your level. Step 2, select UI, select the main menu widget, and we're going to specify the level that you want to play when you hit the play button. Default is demo game level. You'll change that to the level that you want to play. So here in this example, it's the third person map. Click on Save, Compile, and step 2 is done. Close out your widget. Now the third step is to add a component to your character. So you want to select Blueprints, select your character, go up to Components, click on Add, and scroll down until you see the BP in-game pause menu component. You want to click on that, save, and compile. Close out your character. And you're done. 3 simple steps to adding the menu system to your game. Now, to play it, just click on the play button and you'll see that the menu system comes up with the various settings, credits, quit. Clicking on settings gives you the 3 areas of settings that you have at your disposal: graphics, audio, key bindings. We've also included the credits widget where you can specify the names of your developers. Clicking on play will then bring up the level that you had specified when you click on the play button. Click on pause and you'll get your in-game menu instructions, which you can configure, and then quit. For more information about the menu system, including how to add the in-game pause menu to a UE4 project, please click on the link to the instructions in the description below.